So is my screen visible? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we will be dealing with today again more questions on string, and remember this is a very important concept. String, as your array is important, your string is also more important. Okay. There are lot many questions on strings. So today, as I've yesterday discussed the concept of a string, how we initialize, how we declare all things. Today we'll be doing lot many questions. As I repeated, I will be repeating yesterday question as well because it will be making you more clear. So see, we'll be starting with example 1, and please let me know have this question I have taken yesterday or not. Concatenate two strings. I have taken this question yesterday. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, anyone? I taken this question yesterday? Yes or no? You can let me know through chat. Okay, yes. So I'm taking again. The reason is something is important in it. What the thing is important in it? See now here. Hashtag include stdio dot h and your hashtag include string dot h. Remember we are writing string dot h again and again, again and again. This is our header file, and let me copy this header file and I will be pasting it here. I will not teach you function. I will be writing. If I have taught you function, I will be writing whole thing in a function. No need to comment. I will be just calling that function. But at this point of time, no one knows the function. So I'm not continuing with the function. Just see now what I am doing. Yesterday I have covered this question. The reason I am taking this, it is important. That's why. See, just I am revising this question again. We have taken one first string as the name. Let me write str1 and let me take as my name Yash, and let me take a second string. You can say as like a array we are declaring a string. Okay, and let me give space and let my surname comma. Okay, I have taken a two string as a pair, and now I'm doing the I'm concatenating. Which function I have used for that yesterday? Anyone let me know? Yes, anyone please? Which function I used? Please unmute and let me know before I'm writing it. Please let me know what was the function name of the string.h header file. Yeah,
Yes. strcat.
very good. strcat. We have used strcat and we have written both the names str1 as well as str2 semicolon, and let me print it. Printf concatenated. So one thing remember. Okay, one thing remember. Okay. See, I am taking here my first name. Instead of str1, let me write here now first name. This is called a proper naming of a variable. Okay, first name. This is my last name, and what I am making it first name, last name, and let me write here full name. Here I will be writing your %s format specifier \n comma and my what I will be writing. Anyone can let me know what thing I will be writing. I'm doing concatenate str to str1. So here I will be writing only my first name. The reason I am writing first name, you can see the result itself. Let me run it. You can see full name is Yash Alwai. So the concept I want to explain you yesterday also I explained. The concept is I am doing concatenate str to str1, str to str1, str to str1, str to str1. Remember this thing. This was the concept I explained yesterday, but it is not. You will be remembering this concept because you need a practice. You need a practice. Okay. And this program is basically using the strcat, that is your concatenate simply str to str1, and your output will be that the same thing what I have mentioned here. Is it clear? First question, yes or no? All I need a please all unmute and let me know. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good. So this was the concept. Okay. So remember, highlight this point with this example. Which concept I explain you? Which concept I explain? I explain this part. I know you know strcat, but how this strcat works? This is important thing. Okay. Many people know the name, but what is the working? They don't know. It is storing basically this thing into the first name. If you are reversing it, it will be storing into the last name. str1 to str2 in this way. Please practice. This is your assignment. Do it to str1 to str2. See the output. What we will be getting. Just change this last name first and first name last. It will be storing here and right here last name. Okay. Same way. Let me write example 2, and this is the example reverse string. Very important question. As we have seen the reverse array, now we will be seeing the reverse string. This question I have taken yesterday. Yes or no? Is this question I taken
No.
yesterday? No. So focus here now. So now focus here. I'll be just writing my int main return 0. Why I'm writing only int main return 0? The reason is I have already included my header file at the above 2 lines itself. No need to write again and again same thing. Just I'm writing main function now again and again. Okay. See. So let me name it as okay. So I can write here. Let me take a original string, naming it as a variable original, and here I will be writing a reverse word itself. Reverse word. Okay. I've written reverse word simply, and in that my task is to do the reverse the string. Reverse the string. So there is a function in it. So the function name is str. You can see there I got lot many names. Let me check which variable will be helping me. I know its name, but let me check. You can if you forgot. So this is the thing present in the VS Code. It is not possible to learn all the things. It is not possible to learn all the things. Okay, that's why this thing is provided to you. That's why this is providing to you. So to be a good programmer, you need to be a good Google searcher as well as a good thinker as well. Okay. So this is the function strrever. I think I have written correct. If not, I'll be checking it again. Okay. Let me write my what is that original. Na? Let me pass original. That is my string in it. I will be passing my original string in it, and I will be printing it. See now, printf my reverse string, my reverse string percentage backslash n comma and my original. Because I am doing original reverse, let me write original. So original will be changed to the reverse thing. So remember this strrev function basically helps to reverse the string. However, note that strrev is not a standard C library function. Just let me highlight why I not got that name in that thing. The reason is what? The reason is that it is str. This is an interview question. Okay, is not a standard C library function. I hope it is clear to all now. The output may be so. One more thing. Very good. See the output. Either I will be getting the output may be unexpected or or an an error. In this case, okay. Depending on what? Depending on what? Depending on what? Depending on the depending on the system. Why system? See the reason. Let me run it on my system. Saving it and run. So you can say in my system I got the reverse string. Have you seen the output? Do I got a reverse string? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. The reason is I'm using the VS Code, and in VS Code we have the extensions. We have the extensions, and this is a extension helping me to work this thing. Okay. In many cases this will be not working. The reason I have written itself here is not a standard C library function. Again repeating, it is an interview question. Okay, this is an interview question, and the reason is what? The interviewer asks me the reason. The reason is the output may be unexpected or an error depending on the system. It depends on the system to system. Remember this thing. Okay, is this question clear to all? Yes or no? What is a good? Was it a good question? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Please note it. Yeah. Please note it. So next question. Next question. I hope this question, I know this question I also taken, but I will be now doing it in different way. Find substring. Yesterday, what question we have done for a substring? Anyone can let me know? What was that question name? Yeah, anyone?
String copy.
Yeah, no string copy. Now it was the extraction. Was that question yesterday? I've taken extraction of a substring. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, we were extracting the substring. We were extracting the substring means basically we were given a string, a big string. In that we are extracting some part. Means whatever part we want, we were extracting. But in this question, we want to find. We need to find. Extracting is a different thing, and finding is a different thing. Suppose your name is. Suppose let me no need to take your name. Let me write here. Let me write here. I am a programmer. Okay, I am a programmer. So what is the thing of extracting? Extracting means extracting you are extracting something from it, in this way. Okay, and what is your substring finding? Yeah, substring finding means basically you are finding something from here, you are finding anything from this thing. Okay, remember this thing. So let me explain through the example, writing my main part quickly. Return 0. You know, so let me take a sentence. So I will also naming it as a sentence, it will be good. Okay, so I will be writing a this is, what should I write? This is a simple example. Okay, in this way, this is a simple example, and in that I will be doing a, I need to find something. So for finding, let me define it as a target. So something is my target, I need to find that target, and my target is from this. Let me find a simple word. This is my target, I need to find. So why we use this find substring? The reason is, when you are dealing with when you are dealing with web scraping concept. Web scraping. Remember the thing, web scraping. There we use such type of things. Okay. Web scraping means you are scraping. You are taking something. You are finding something. You are extracting something from a website. Okay. So see, find the position. So this is a simple algorithm. You can remember it as an algorithm for finding a substring. Find the position of the simple. Find the position of the no. Let me write not a simple. Let me write it as target, because I have stored in the variable target. Target substring. So I need to find its position. Position means index. Position means index. See here. What is that? Your result. So yeah, let me write your in result. I will be writing str. Now what is this str? I will be explaining you. Just no need to worry. Let me write this thing. Sentence and target. Okay. Now see what I am doing here. So if you are worrying what is str, so str is used to find the position of the target substring. This function is used to find the position of the target substring. Means in this case, this is our target substring. Where it is used to find the position. It is used to find the position of the targeted substring. So this str is used. Remember this point. And in this case, let me check what will be getting the output. We will be getting the index of it, where the basically your s start. Its position I will be getting. Let me write if result not equal to null. Why I'm writing result not equal to null? You will be coming to let me explain. Okay, why I'm writing this condition? So see, the reason of writing this condition is that substring found at position. Okay, means if it is not null, it means that I found my substring at any one position. So substring found at position, that will be your written percent d backslash n, and after that I will be writing result. Why I'm writing result minus sentence? This is the main thing here. Okay, remember this thing. Why I'm writing a result minus a sentence? Expression must have arithmetic type. Okay, sentence. Okay, Okay. So this error is occur. The reason of occurring this error. Can anyone let me know what is the reason of occurring this error? Anyone? Anyone? You can say I got a red line. If you don't know, please say no. Please say no. No worries. Anyone? Okay. See, I got an error. That error is expression must have arithmetic type. According to it is true. The reason, because we are taking as a character and we are subtracting. It is string doesn't know what you are doing. How are you subtracting further sentence into the sentence? How can it be possible? So to make it possible, we write here this thing. This thing. I have written something. You can see it is star. What is this asterisk sign representing? I will be explaining this concept at the end. At the end of this program, when I will be executing this program, I will be explaining this part. Why I have written in this way. Okay. Till that time, just give your brain some time to think on it. Why I have written star. So let me write here substring not found. And this is a concept which we will be learning in future as well. This is our next concept. Okay. That's why I've taken this example. It will be giving you more clarity. Okay. I hope I have done with my program. Now let me execute it. Let me run it now. Hmm. Okay, you can see I got a output that substring found at position 10. I got a output that I found a substring at the position 10. Okay, you can see at position 10. Let me count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, exactly at 10 position my S is present, and it is saying that at the simple word will be going to start from the position 10. Position 10 include spaces. Spaces are also counted, okay, as the index, as a position. So yeah, I hope this question is clear, but you don't understand the concept. Yes or no? Yes or no? About the str. Hope all the students understood about the str. Yes or no? Yes. Str. Is, are you able to understand str?
रिपीट कर दादा प्लीज.
Okay, I am repeating. Okay, see. So see here. We have taken the first sentence as this is a simple sentence, and we have to find the substring from it. We have to find the substring from it. So I have make a target. So I need to find simple from it. The word simple I need to find. Okay. Basically, you can see that it start with the S word, and it will be covering with your all the things. There is one simple function in the C in your string.h, that is str. So what is the use of your str? What is its use? So the str basically helps you to find your target, that is your simple. In this example it is a simple, in other example it can be different thing, in other example it can be any different thing. Remember this thing. So this is the general working of your str to find the position. You can remember in this way, to find the position. Okay, now let me move further. So many of you got confused why I've written a star result, and this is the concept, this is a topic which we'll be learning in the next thing, that is your next topic, that is a pointer. Why I've taken this question, I want to give just intro about the pointer. That's why I've taken this question. So see, I have written here simple thing in front of you, that is your char star result. What does it thing represent? It represent that char, that is the result, is declared as a pointer. This result, you can say it is a character, but it is now declared as a pointer to char. Means, in the simple way, if I am to explain, please no need to worry. Okay, if you don't understand, it will be going to understand you after learning the thing, that is your pointer. But the reason was I want to introduce you today. That's why. So this, in this way. So, and the basic working of str function, it returns a pointer. So this function str it returns a pointer to the first occurrence. Let me write here. It will be making you more clear. What I am explaining, I am writing here now. Okay, let me write. In the see the str. Okay, function returns a pointer to the first occurrence. So basically, if you want to use str, the concept of the pointer came of the target substring. You can see why I'm writing the target, because we have name of variable as a target substring within the given string. In that way, you can remember this. I hope this will be making you now more clear. And this thing is returning our pointer. This thing is returning our pointer. That's why we are getting answer in the integer. That's why I written %ld long integer simple thing. Result minus sentence. Why result minus sentence? Your size of result. What will be your size of result? What will be the size of your result, and minus sentence length? That will be your output. That is what we are getting. Okay. I hope now it is clear. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So we are basically getting the position of it. Okay, we are getting the basically position of it, and the reason of using pointer, it is basically pointing it is making our think easy. In this way it is pointing. I know I have explained this pointer. I want to just give the intro of pointer. That's why I have taken this example as an application of a pointer. Remember this part. If you are not understanding, just write this program, and when we start pointer, I will be again explaining this question. That's why I have taken this question. Okay, I hope now let me run again it, and you can see the result. 10 I am getting, and that's the correct result. If you want to practice more different, you can provide different target and check for the different target. You will be getting according to the answer. Okay. Now hope is this clear to all? Yes or no? Yes, Pranjali, Anjali, Prajwala, Akshay, Utkarsh. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Let it be take lot many time, but the thing it should be clear. If you're not understanding, please let me know. How many times you want to ask? Ask me that many times. So now let me move with the next question. What was the question I have with me? What was the name of question? Let me check the name of question. Okay, very important question. Okay, now see. That is your compare ignore case. Ignore case means basically what it tells. The question tells means suppose example. This is my name. Okay, this is my name, and this is also my name. Will it with in programming, are both the same? Yes or no? Are both the same? Yes or no? In programming, what do you think? Are both the same?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes, anyone?
Yes.
Okay, someone says yes. Okay, let me explain you the concept now. Int main return 0. So let me write char str1 equal to, this is my name I have written in front of you, char str2, and let me write here hmm, my name again in this way. Okay, in this fashion I have written. So yesterday we have learned the compare function. Can anyone let me know what was the function? Compare function. What was that? Yes, anyone? How we compare things? What was the function? It was returning either true or false. That is a 1 or 0. What was that function name? Yes, anyone? What was that function name? strcmp. Good. Please unmute and tell, because I need to switch screen again and again. Let me write str1 str2. Now let me check output. Can anyone let me know what will be the output? Yes, be quick. In front of you have written. What will be the output? Yes, anyone? What will be the output? Unmute and speak. I'm writing here. What will be the output?
0.
Okay, 0. Why 0? Why 0? Why 0? Why 0? I got a minus 1. I got minus 1. I got minus 1. Yesterday I have explained this concept. Either you getting a minus 1 means what? Means what? Please go through your yesterday lecture notes. Those you have meant. Yes, Akshay, Anjali. What do you mean minus 1? Yesterday I have explained this to you. What do you mean minus 1? Yeah, of course. Yesterday I have explained this concept. Minus 1, 0, 1. 0 means it is equal, but I got a minus 1. What is meant by minus 1 here? Simple question I'm asking. When string 1 is greater than string 2, very good, very good, very good, very good. String 1 is greater than string 2. It means that you can say I got a result, but you can say the same is name is same. But remember, in programming, it is different thing. In our language, whatever we see in English, it is equal. But in programming, both have a different value. Both have a different value because here the cases are different. You can see capital, here you can see small. Cases are different. It will be going to treat both the things as a different. Someone at starting said yes, both are same, but it both are not same. That's why I got a result minus 1. I should get a result 0. For that thing, we have one more thing, and that function is a very very important function. If you want to compare such type of strings, the function name is strcase, strcase cmp. Only writing a strcase cmp and later your str1 and str2. It means that what the thing it will be doing your thing of compare strings, ignoring, it will be ignoring the case, whatever case it be, uppercase as well as a lower case, it will be ignoring the case. And see the output now. Do I got output 0 now? Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this was the concept behind this thing. Okay, those students who are missing the sessions, please, what can I tell you? Please let your friends know. Please don't message me personally. I got lot many messages. I don't have net. I don't have this thing. That's why I'm not able to join. I have. Yeah. Is there any submission going on? Yes. Utkarsh.
Yes.
Okay. No worries. So they are messaging. I will. We will be going. I will be going to record. Okay. No worries. You go with the recording, but doing in the live, it is a very different thing. Okay. Remember this thing. 15 messages. Okay. No worries. Let me continue for our part. I'll be continuing. Okay. Was this question helpful? Do you got something new about it? Have you learned something new about this question? STRK CMP. STR case
Yes. Yes.
CMP. Remember this thing, okay? For ignoring the case. Ignoring the case. It is an interview question, okay? Both things have a different meaning. Remember this thing. In English, we talk, it is same for us, but for programming, for a computer, it is a different thing. That's why I explained yesterday STR CMP. Remember, very important thing. And in the interview, it is asked what is the difference between STR CMP as well as STR case CMP. Okay. So what was the number of this question? Example number 4. So let me move with one more question, and in this question we will be seeing one thing, that is your strto key to tokenize the given sentence based on spaces. What does it mean? It prints each token on new line. It is a very new concept. It is a very new concept for you, but when we will be going in future and we will be learning some thing about NLP. How many of you heard about the NLP, natural language processing? Of you, anyone have heard about the natural language processing? Yes or no? Natural language processing. Anyone have heard this word, this term? Yes, anyone? If no, please say
Yeah.
no. Yes. What you still know?
No, no.
Okay. So if your 10 is simply no, so get time to explain you more thing about NLP. So NLP. So basically, what is NLP? Natural language processing. Have you heard about the Chat GPT? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So your Chat GPT is based and built on the model that is basically used is the application of your natural language processing. Why natural language processing? Whenever you interact with the Chat GPT, you are giving some prompt to it, you are giving some input to it, and that input it works. It works. So there are different types of handling or dealing with the different sentences. Basically, we deal with the sentences, we deal with the words, we deal with the tokens. What are these things? What are these things? We will be seeing this thing, but we will not seeing in the detail. And in that thing, there is a tokenization. Tokenization is a term in the NLP. Remember this thing. And one more thing to remember: your chatbot and your as I mentioned ChatGPT as well, LLM language, large language modeling. This all comes under the NLP. This was some advanced knowledge to you, but as a name you can remember it. Okay, no worries. So why I'm taking this question? Again, same thing. See here, care sentence. Let me write tokenize this. I'm writing a string simple tokenize this string. So see what it will be doing. Tokenize a string. What it does means. What does it means? Tokenize this string means I will be getting these three words separately. This word three words separately means it will be splitting it. It will be splitting it into three different words. It will be not providing a sentence. So for that I am writing char token. And remember one thing. It will be not working just writing a char token. The reason is because of this function. Because of this function, that is your strtok. Why? Because of this function. Here you can see I got some information, and here you can see the asterisk sign. That is your pointer. Have you seen this? Some information is provided. Have you seen this? I'm highlighting this. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah, anyone? I, yeah, good. So here I need to write. Here I need to write above cache data code. Why I'm writing this thing? Because I need to point. Why? What thing I need to point? Pointer is used to point. I am explaining pointer in a simple way now. Just giving you the intro. There is a very different definition for the pointer. We'll be learning. We'll be explaining. But for this point of time, only remember pointer as a pointing. It is pointing. It is pointing to the position or the index. Remember in this way. Okay. I'm explaining. I'm explaining you in the simple way. I want to give the intro to the pointer. Writing a sentence, writing a sentence and providing the space. Why I am providing the space? Because I need to split this thing. I need to split this. I need to split this. I need to split this means I need this output in this format. That is your in this way. First I need the word tokenize. Then I need this is a splitting. Okay, simple thing. If you don't know splitting, this is a splitting. Okay, separating it. Now see, I'm printing tokens. It is called as tokens. Print tokens. So how can I print these tokens? So you can see there are three tokens, but it can be a multiple tokens. So we have learned the concept of a while loop. In while, what we have learned? We have learned we need to write a condition. What will be the condition? If token is not equal to null, if it is not equal to null, run my code, iterate my code, repeat my code. Okay. Whenever you got the null, whenever you got the null, stop there. Percentage backslash n and writing a token, and token is equal to strcok. Whenever you tackle null, I'm providing him null and just separating it, because whenever I occur null, we have to handle this thing. We have to handle this thing. That's why I'm writing it. See now output. Hope I hope you can see this splitted in this way. Yes or no? Anyone? Have you seen the output? Yes.
Yes.
So remember one thing. If you are not understanding the thing that is use this star, but I have mentioned this thing again and again, just remember it is pointing the index. In this way, for this point of time, remember in this way. When we are learning pointer, I will be explaining you in detail. Because this strtok generally, this your strtok deals with, well, how, yeah, you can see here char, star, cd, cl. No, ignore this part. Just remember how the char star, const char star, these are the two values we need to provide, and this should be a pointer. Okay, in this way you can remember. This is a general definition of this particular thing. I hope I have taken 5 examples, and these all 5 examples are clear to all and easy to understand. Yes or no? Okay, Akshay. What about others? Anjali, Pranjali, good. Okay, so good. We have done today 5 questions, and total I have done 10 questions on string. I hope now the string is clear. Whenever anyone will be asking the string, and you will be now able to understand, able to introduce, able to teach him, able to explain it. Okay, can it be possible to you now? Yes or no? Okay, good. So we have learned lot many functions different about the string, and there are lot many more. Okay, remember this thing. There are lot many more. But covering all this thing, it is quite hard because there are lot many more. So whenever you are dealing with some projects and other things, you will be using according to that project this type of things. Okay. Can anyone let me know what is this use of this thing? As I have taken yesterday. What is this? str alien?
To measure length
Yeah. Of what? What? Major length of what?
string.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Length of the string. So in that way, there are the questions also. Okay. Majorly questions are asked on this function str. It may be asked in such a way if there is a one string, suppose there is a big string and there are multiple words, and you need to count particular letter. Suppose there is a letter P. How many times of this P word is repeated? So using the help of strlen, you can calculate. This general example I have introduced with you. In this way, the questions are asked. So I hope today's lecture is clear to all. From tomorrow, we'll be starting with a pointer. Is it clear? String.
Yes.
What about others? Properly. I'm
Yes.
talking properly. Yeah? Not yes. Yes means it should be clear, clearly. And yes, good to see that all are understanding. And we will stop here. Okay, we will stop here, and we will be continuing tomorrow with your pointer. So I will be trying to provide a video as early as possible, so other students can also see it. No worries. And remember one thing, we'll be completing with third unit soon, and we'll be starting with the 4 unit. And I hope till 30th November or 3rd December, your C will be completed, and you will be perfect in the C. And anyone, please, from you, how many? Pranjali, Anjali, Prajwala, Akshay, Utkarsh. Let me know in our group how many questions till now we have completed. How many questions we have completed till now, till this lecture. Okay, I want to just see the count. That's why I'm asking. There is no any big deal. Okay, because many of you have written properly in the notebook, as Anjali has written, as I seen her notes very properly and clearly has written. Also, Akshay has mentioned, means properly maintained on the GitHub. That is a very good thing. What about others? How are you maintaining? What others are doing? They are not sharing. This is not a good sign. Okay, that's the reason we are providing the gifts, T-shirts, as well as the certification to those students who are doing actively something great. Okay, remember this thing. This is all for free. Enjoy this thing all. Okay. So how was the today's session? Hope you enjoyed. Let me know through one word. How was the session? New things we learned today. Okay. Good. Great. Great. I like the word great. Lot many students are writing in Python class as well as Java class. Great. Good. Great. So thank you. Before going to sleep, revise all things, again repeating, revise all things, then go to sleep, and have a good night, sweet dream, take care, bye bye, happy learning, keep coding, bye bye. You can leave the meet. Yeah, welcome Anjali, welcome Akshay, bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye Pranjali, bye. You can leave the meet, bye bye.